Rowing. Some sports, due to their peculiarities, don't allow athletes to train all year round. For example, in Scandinavian countries, this applies to kayaking and canoeing. Lakes and rivers freeze in the winter, and the weather's windy, so it's not possible to train in the water. That's why some companies have developed simulators like the one that you can see on the screen. Kayak Pro Speedstroke, according to the athletes, allows you to work on your rowing technique, adjusting the resistance. The main advantage is that the simulator creates forces similar to those experienced during a race. Speedstroke is equipped with an electronic system, which can adjust the length of the paddle, as well as the angle and height of the seat and the resistance. The time, distance, and rowing pace are displayed on the screen. The simulator is even able to show the heart rate and time of the selected distance. Note the compactness and mobility of the design. When training is over, Speedstroke isn't going to take up extra space. It's worth noting that Kayak Pro wishes to expand the training capabilities of all rowing athletes. That's why specialists have also created a rowing simulator on a SUP-board. Mobile stairs. If you've ever seen a grandstand assembling, you know it's a long, time-consuming process that usually involves an entire team of workers. Mobile stairs is an invention that solves this problem. It is a grandstand that even 2 people can assemble in a short time. The invention stands out for its ease of assembly and mobility. When folded, the mobile stairs is no bigger than a freight trailer. The wheels make it much easier to transport the structure from one place to another. When the construction is deployed, it turns into a spacious grandstand. Every element is securely fixed, and the fence along the edge provides increased safety. Having a tent is definitely an advantage too. As you can see, the person puts a minimum of effort in. He pushes the levers in a certain order, after which the system starts to unfold on its own. The Belgian company Twartube manufactures such systems. In addition to the stands, it also produces mobile folding scenes. Tile floor. The modern market offers a wide variety of flooring options, with different characteristics, appearance, and of course, cost. The flooring materials you see on the screen are economical, practical, and are very easy to install. First, we would like to draw your attention to the crumb rubber tiles. Only 2 tools are required for installation, a knife and a T-square. Each tile has grooves cut out at the edges. They interlock with each other, achieving a smooth coating. Another advantage of the material is its softness. When laying the tiles near the wall, all you have to do is cut off the part of the tile you don't need with a knife. This coating is equally suitable for indoor and outdoor use, for example for a playground or a whole room. Alternatively, several elements joined together can be used as a carpet. The second option is tiles made of impact-resistant polypropylene. The manufacturer recommends using them for garage flooring. The final result is aesthetically pleasing. The surface is resistant to oil, grease, antifreeze, and any other household chemicals. Each element has slots on the edges for quick and easy installation. However, to cut a piece of this tile, you'll have to use a tile cutter. Plaster leveling. If a builder needs to create a perfectly flat wall, he applies a layer of plaster. One of the last steps of the plastering procedure is to level the surface. 45 to 60 seconds after mixing the mortar, it starts to harden, which means the worker doesn't have much time left to remove the excess material and smooth the surface. Traditionally, hand tools such as a wide metal spatula or a leveling board are used to finish the plaster. However, if you want to speed up the process and make the final result perfect, you should use a tool like the one you see on the screen. This is a rotating disc that quickly and efficiently levels the surface, minimizing the builder's efforts. Timber beam slab formwork system. Monolithic low-rise constructions are becoming more and more popular all over the world, which means specialists face an important task of improving construction techniques. One of them is the slab formwork system you're seeing right now on the screen. Simply put, it's a mold to create the floor of the future building from concrete mixture. The installation system of the mold allows you to increase cost effectiveness. The workers cope with the task more quickly, so you can save money on labor costs. The main formwork beam has a huge load-bearing capacity, approximately 80% higher than standard formwork beams. The system is called Doka Flex 30 Tech and is produced by the Austrian company Doka.